Dubai has zero taxes. That's what everyone believes. But as a CA who digs into the real numbers, here's the truth about Dubai's tax system everyone should know. For individuals, Dubai really does deliver no personal income tax, no capital gain tax, no tax on dividend in most cases. Your salary, trading profit, and investment returns all completely untaxed. That's a dream for everybody. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Companies pay a 9% corporate tax on profits above 3,75,000 dirham, which comes roughly around 90 lakhs Indian rupees. That's still way lower than India's 25 to 30% corporate tax rates. Plus, if you set up in a free zone, qualifying income can be taxed at 0%, which is a huge win for entrepreneurs. Then there's 5% VAT on goods and services, much lower than India's GST, but it's there. Excise taxes hit luxury items hard, 50 to 100% on tobacco, alcohol, and energy drinks. Property deals come with transfer fee about 2 to 4%. Renting, expect municipality or housing fees. If you are a multinational or using complex international structures, new global rules means you might face a minimum tax, something to keep in mind if you are planning big moves. Dubai isn't zero tax, it's minimal tax. For an Indian earning 50 lakhs a year, you could still save 15 lakhs compared to Indian tax rates, even after these costs. That's why Dubai is so attractive, but don't get caught by the zero tax myth. Now tell me honestly, do you also feel that Indians pay some of the world's highest taxes yet don't get even basic amenities in return? If yes, drop a Dubai in comments and let's see how many of us are dreaming of a tax-friendly life.